Hi, I'm Cyril and this is my Makino track bike. Start off with the frame set. We have a 1999 Makino frame. It is signed by a Kirin rider, Kenji Tosawa. And then for the cockpit, we have a Hataswan Super Deluxe NJS headset. And for the stem, we have a Nito NJS Jaguar 90mm. And for the track bars, we have a B125 size 37. And for the seat post, we have a Nito 65 27.2 diameter. And then for the saddle, we have a NJS Fujita wide seamless saddle. And for the cranks, we have a Durace FC600 NJS cranks, 165mm. And for the pedals, we have Kyokuto Pro Ace. And for the toe cage, we have also Kyokuto. It's size large. And for the BB, we have a Hataswan R9 400 NJS BB. And for the chainring, we have a Sugino 75 track chainring. And for the cog, we have a Dura-Ace cog and a lock ring. And for the chain, we have a Zumi Jet Black chain. For our hubs, we have a Suzuki Pro Max 36 holes. And for the rims, we have giant rims. The spokes are Hoshi double batted truck spokes. And for the front, it's the same, Kenda Gummel, Hoshi spokes, and Suzuki Pro Max. And for the accessories, cloth bar tape by Passe and rear light. I don't know what brand, but it's a rear light. And shoutout pala kay Pista Manila, tapos Team Crit, and Team Live Fast. And then kay George, di ka sumama, bumobomba. Okay, yun lang. Bye-bye.